Honda has overpaid their employee bonuses and is now asking for the money back. In a factory in Ohio, they overpaid employee bonuses by over 8%. And pretty much in a memo said by the company, they said the employees either have 9 days to pay it back or it can be cut from their either future paychecks or bonuses. And I'm going to be honest, this seems like a huge mess up. You can't overpay people, especially on a bonus, and then start to ask for the money back. What are you guys' kind of thoughts on this?
Yeah, 100%. I mean, let's just put it out there point blank. Honda screwed up. They need to just let the way that I look at it is that Honda needs to just take this as like hey, you know what? We really care about our employees. We made the screw up, but hey, at the end of the day, our employees win. They get a few extra dollars in their pocket this month to help with expenses that could be life-changing this month for some of their employees. Honestly, that it's just, you made the mess up. It wasn't that drastic. Of course, like 8%, like, okay. But I'm sure like a company like Honda, you can eat it because you're going to get more backlash by asking for that money back, or at least just saying to your employees that, you know what, you guys really aren't that special. You guys aren't special enough to get an accidental, 8% bonus. I get that, that there's probably finances that I'm not looking at to be able to make that statement. And sure, like maybe Honda really does need that money in that factory. But to be honest with you, it's just a worse look.
And again, what have we been talking about on previous episodes? The Great Resignation and the quiet quitting that's been going on. This is a prime example. If you treat your employees like this, and again, you incentivize them with bonuses and then ask for that money back because you say you overpaid them. I mean, Honda's a multi-billion-dollar company, and they're established in numerous countries throughout the entire globe. It's just a bad look, man, and it's going to be really interesting to kind of see, like you said, the backlash that they get not only internally, but how this kind of affects them on, from a PR perspective as well.
And it's great that you say that, because just think about that. If they just ate that cost, we wouldn't even be talking about this right now. Their factory workers would probably be even more happy, be like, hey, we overpaid you guys. It was a mess up on us, but go ahead and keep it. It's our mistake. And now we're over here talking about it because it's ridiculous. Like you said, multi-billion-dollar company. There's no way that they shouldn't be able to just eat this and be like, hey, our mistake. Next time going forward, we should just do our numbers better.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's literally on the company. There's no reason why the employees, should get paid. They get paid more by accident, but then trying to retract the statement just, it's just going to lower morale. It's just going to make, it's how do you expect your employees to go to work motivated?
Well, thank you guys so much again for tuning in to episode 7 of the Daily Entrepreneur. We're going to be doing these Monday through Friday. If you enjoyed the video, leave us a like. You learned something. Make sure you subscribe.